Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in today's quick video, I want to teach you a simple negotiation lesson. You'll love this one. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. One of my students emailed me last night and said he had a settlement scheduled for today, and that settlement was starting to blow up on him. The buyer was getting a little flaky due to some issues that came up on the title work. Even though he's had a chance to know this and look at it, now he's deciding to throw a fit right at the last minute. And that happens quite a bit in negotiation. And my advice to him was simple. Sometimes you have to stop and just pull back and look at the overall picture. Consider what that overall picture is, because we can get very short-sighted and very hyper-focused in the midst of a deal. And that's natural, but that's actually a little bit problematic because it can cause you to do things you don't want to do, particularly in a negotiation scenario. So remember this as a negotiation lesson. Most, 90% of the concessions you're going to make are going to hit in that last 10% of the time that you're negotiating. So the fact that my student is getting pushed to make changes to his deal right up against settlement that's supposed to be occurring today is whether or not the buyer realizes he's doing it, that's a technique to force my student, the wholesaler, into giving more concessions. So my advice to him was really simple. Stay strong, hold your frame, step back and examine the big picture, and don't lose sight of that. And don't be afraid to say, I'm calling your bluff. Because one of two things is going to happen. It's actually a bluff that the seller is doing, or they are serious about it, at which point you get to decide whether or not you want to continue on or not. But at least you got to test to determine whether or not that bluff was actually real. So that's a really important negotiation lesson, is hold your frame and stay cool under pressure and step back and look at the big giant picture. If you enjoyed this quick tip, go ahead and click share below and click the like button. I'd love to meet more great people just like you and share this knowledge with them. For TractionRealEstateMentors.com, it's Tom Zeeb. I'll talk to you later. Oh, where are we? Well, yeah, we're at Dead Horse Point State Park in southern Utah. Totally awesome. Oh, this is the cliff where Thelma and Louise drove off? Nah, cool. No, I don't intend to drive my car off the side, thanks. I'd much prefer Mission Impossible 2. Great opening sequence.